Hi there, welcome back to NZ Electronics Repair. So today we got this MacBook A2337, also known as MacBook 13-inch M1 model. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can replace the screen on this one. So grab yourself a P5 screwdriver and remove these 10 P5 screws from the back panel. After that, grab yourself a suction cup and lift the back cover. So this is the battery for this MacBook. There's a lock like this, you have to pull it up. And that's how you can disconnect the battery. So for removing the screen, you have to disconnect the Wi-Fi antenna. This is the Wi-Fi antenna. And you have to use a T4 screwdriver to remove this plate. And this as well, this plate covers the connector for the screen. You have to still use the T4 screwdriver for both of these. So let's go ahead and remove these both first. Then remove the screen connector using a plastic prying tool, and then grab yourself a pair of tweezers to remove those cables for the Wi-Fi antenna. Then the next step that you have to do is to remove these 6 screws here. These are for the Wi-Fi antenna and this is for the screen assembly. So grab yourself a T5 screwdriver and start removing these screws. First you have to pull this out a little bit, and then you can use a tweezer to lift the Wi-Fi antenna from the sides. This is the Wi-Fi antenna. This is responsible for your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. So if you face issues with the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, this is the part that you have to replace. Now for opening the screen, you have to get yourself a T8 screwdriver. Now for safer disassembly, you have to keep your MacBook something like this. Now grab yourself a T8 screwdriver and remove the 6 screws for the hinge. And then you have to pull it gently out like this. So this is the screen for this MacBook A2337. So this is the replacement part. If you are looking to buy high quality OEM screens for your MacBook repairs, you can find the link in the description for the replacement part. And if you want to fix your screens in like just 30 minutes, you can come to NZ Electronics Repair. For a free quote, you can call at 0800 585 222. Then to install the screen, you have to keep this cable upper side like this, and then gently insert the hinges in their respective positions. Then go ahead and grab your T8 screwdriver and install the screws for the hinges. Make sure this cable is on the top. Then you have to install the screws, the black screws first. For that you will need a T5 screwdriver to install the screws there first. Then go ahead and install the screws for the Wi-Fi antenna, 4 screws, long one. Then go ahead and connect the cables for the Wi-Fi antenna using a tweezer. Just align it and press it until you hear a click sound. Install the screw for the Wi-Fi antenna. Then you have to connect the cable for the display. Install these 2 T4 screws. Then you have to reconnect the battery back. Carefully align it and gently press on the connector, and then lock it. Just carefully align it and press it. Then grab yourself a P5 screwdriver. So you have to install the 4 long screws on this side and the rest of the upper side. And that's how you can replace a screen on a MacBook A2337. So if you're looking to fix your MacBook screen in just 30 minutes, you can come to NZ Electronics Repair. You can contact us at 0800 585 222 for a free quote.